In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Lists and Segments. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to an overview of all your lists and segments within Klaviyo. Now that you're in the Lists and Segments section, it's time to find the specific list that contains the contact you wish to delete. Take a moment to scroll through your lists, or you can use the search functionality if you have many lists. Click on the name of the list you want to open. This will bring up the details of that particular list. Next, you'll be greeted by a table containing all the contacts in that list. If you need to locate a specific contact, you can either scroll through the table or type their name or email address into the search bar at the top of the table. This makes it super easy to find the contact you're looking for. Once you've found the contact you want to manage, look towards the far right side of that contacts row. You should see 3 little dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Remove. Go ahead and select that option. After you choose to remove the contact, Klaviyo will prompt you to confirm your choice. Make sure to read the confirmation message carefully, as it's important to understand what this action entails. It's worth noting that this process will only remove the contact from that specific list. They will no longer receive campaigns targeted to that list, but their entire profile won't be deleted from your main Klaviyo account database. So, if you ever need to restore their information later on, you will still have access to their profile. And that's really all there is to it. It's a simple process that only takes a few moments. You now know how to delete a contact from a list in Klaviyo. If you're managing multiple lists or segments and regularly need to edit or update contacts, getting familiar with this process can save you a lot of time. If you make a mistake, don't worry. While you can remove contacts, you still maintain control of your overall database, which means you can keep everything organized without the fear of completely losing any contact information. So to recap, log into your Klaviyo account, navigate to Lists and Segments, select the list containing your contact, find that contact, click on the 3 dots, and choose to remove them. Confirm your choice, and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Klaviyo effectively. Until next time,